So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. Before I tell you how we can create this AI chatbot, let me show you the proper working of this. So let's say someone types this message, hey, how do I apply for a job here? Within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to solve this user query. We don't have to do anything. You're going to see within seconds it is replying and solving the user query. Let's say I'm going to ask another question, do I need to pay anything to apply? So once again, within second it is going to solve this query too. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And this AI chatbot is replying according to the knowledge base which I have uploaded. It is replying exactly the same. In this FAQs, you're going to see that I have mentioned the answers to this question and it is replying exactly the same. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to learn in today's video. So watch this tutorial till the end in order to learn how to create this AI chatbot for your own recruitment agency. So now we have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the AI assistant of Pabbly Chatflow. How you can reach here. So if you are an existing user like me, you're going to see that when you come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, from the left end of the side, you have to come on this AI assistant, click on add on AI assistant and open this window. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL. In the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on this AI assistant. But after coming over here, you have to make sure that you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, video tutorial dedicated towards same has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Once you come on this window, you have to follow me. It is asking me for the instruction type, so we have multiple options here. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, click on this custom prompt and give a custom instruction. But to help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent and so on. So when you select one of these pre-built examples, the instructions will be added automatically. So if you wish to edit it, you can definitely delete or add some point. But if you wish, you can keep it as exactly same and move on further towards this temperature. So now it is asking me for the temperature. All right. So over here, temperature is how creative the AI is going to answer. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. And if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I want focused answers. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2. Now it is asking me to select the AI to use. So I'm going to keep it as Open AI. Now it is asking me to select the model to use. So I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, open your OpenAI API key page. Once you open this page, in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of create new secret key. So go on this create new secret key, enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created. So copy this key and paste it right over here in your API key section and click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, it is going to say OpenAI key saved successfully. Now it is asking me for the AI assistant settings. So you have multiple settings: header message, footer message, and over here stop keywords, retry attempts and fallback message. So one by one I'll tell you about all of them. So first goes header and footer message. So if you wish to add a header or a footer message, you can simply switch it on right from here and you can add the header and the footer message. The maximum characters are 60 over here. You have to make that sure. The next is the stop keywords. You can enter the keywords that user can type to stop the AI assistant. And how you can enter the keywords? For that, you have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. This is a very important feature because let's say user has something to talk with a human and the AI is replying them continuously. So what they can do is they can type the stop keyword and automatically the AI assistant is not going to reply to that user further. A manual review will be needed to take that chat back again towards the AI assistant. So what you can do is to guide your users, you can add a footer message like type stop to stop the AI assistant or something like that, so that they know if they want to chat with a human, they can type stop or human. Alright, so next is this retry attempt. So here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. So I'm going to keep it as 2 right over here. Now we have this fallback message, so you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So over here what you can do is you can add your support email address in this message. So let's say I'm going to enter the support email address, and now whenever my user has some emergency and the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly, they can contact me on Gmail. Now let's move on further towards the next, which is this knowledge source. So like I showed in the starting of this video that we have uploaded a knowledge base, and using this knowledge base, this AI chatbot is replying me so accurately. So to set up this knowledge base, first of all, open a blank Google document. In that blank Google document, enter the knowledge unique to your business. Include FAQs, company background, and everything which a chatbot can need in order to reply to your customer queries. Alright, so as you can see that I have already entered all of these details. After entering all of these details, go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. Both TXT and PDF are supported, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because that is preferred. Because for PDF we don't have any page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. Alright, so how you can upload this now once you download it? So you have to go towards this file, download, and download this. And once you download this, what you have to do is you have to go towards this choose a file, go on this download section from the left end of the site and upload it. So as you can see that I have successfully uploaded my knowledge source right over here. Now after uploading this knowledge source, go on this assistant interface. Now you have to add a heading message right over here. So what you can do is you can copy your brand's name and add that as the heading. So as you can see, when you edit it over here, it will be updated right over here too. Same goes for the subheading, you can edit this too. Now we have this initial message, so if you wish you can definitely type the initial message and press enter to add this. You can add up to 2 initial messages only. Now it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display this, keep it as enable, otherwise you can disable it right from here. Next we have is this footer text, so you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. If you add the footer link, the text will convert into a link, otherwise it will remain a plain text like this. Alright, now we have this user first message. So this is important because this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this styling. So you can style your WhatsApp chatbot. You can change the theme, the shape, and the text colors, also the profile pictures. So it totally depends upon you how you want this AI chatbot to look like. After doing all of this, what you have to do is you have to switch on this toggle button and click on this Save AI Assistant. Once you click on the Save AI Assistant, it is saying AI Assistant saved successfully. And yes, after saving this AI Assistant, it is ready to run. But now we have created and saved this AI Assistant. But how can we use it for our business? For that you have to go to this embedded and you're going to find this script. So you have to copy this script and upload this script on your website. And this chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone goes on this start chat and send you a message which will be the initial message, this AI chatbot is going to reply them. The message will be prefixed, they don't have to type it. Alright, further if you wish to assign this AI chatbot, you can go to this inbox section. Alright, so I'm just going to open it in a new tab, go to choose AI assistant and assign this AI assistant like this by clicking on this save. Now whenever this contact is going to message me, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if I wish to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, I'm going to go to this settings, inbox settings. Then we have to scroll and go to this enable AI auto replies. Now you have to select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all these contacts. And whenever any contact from this list is going to message, this AI assistant is going to reply. So yes, if you wish to learn how to create this contact, so go on this contact section. From here you can create contact list. Not only this, if you wish to learn about contact section or any another section in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this section has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. So yes, with this we have successfully learned how to create this AI chatbot and how we can use it for our own recruitment agency. So now go try this amazing AI chatbot, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.